Hi guys, and welcome to our channel Catastrophe Sailing. I'm Rune.
And I'm Lika. Together we bought a 40-foot leopard named Mitsu.
We sold our house and all our stuff back in Denmark, quit our jobs and finally ditched our kids. Now we're full-time liveaboards, plan to see as much of the world as we can with the money we have left.
So please join us on our journey here on YouTube.
What are you doing now?
I am scratching the engine room
Why?
so you can paint it.
Oh,
Ta-da!
wow. So you're like kind of a machine now.
Yeah.
So are you going to paint it as well?
Yeah, I can do that.
Perfect. Thanks.
De nada.
It's time to test our spiffy new vacuum. The cleaning lady is busy.
I'm cleaning the engine room.
Time to start masking so that I can get painting.
The weather today is really great for painting. The sun is out, no rain, not a lot of wind, but we haven't got any paint. The chandlery is closed, and they were closed yesterday when the weather was good as well. So what to do other than to give a big shout out to Sailing Gaia. They helped us out with some paint. And now we finished the engine bays. Ooh, sexy as well. Thanks a lot, Sailing Gaia, for saving our butts.
Lika forgot that she promised to paint the engine bays, but at least she helped remove the masking tape.
Can you see what I'm doing? Taping it off.
Taping it off?
I don't know how to say.
Or taking off the masking tape?
Yeah, taking off the masking tape, but you haven't done it.
Well, you have to fix that afterwards then.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to fix that. Looks like crap, babe.
I have to fix it.
You have to fix it. It's your job. Is the paint done?
No, I have to
It's
fix
not
it.
dry?
Yes,
Okay.
it is.
So we're now moving on to the engines that have been painted, and we're going to reassemble them. Did some touch-up paint on some of the engine parts because they were pretty rusty. Cleaned the engines, took them apart, ready for service, touched them up with some paint. So that's what they look like now. Ready for full service. So I'm changing the forward oil seal on the engine. Bought a new one here. Just going to take out the old one. There we go. And the new seal looks fine. Just going to take some of the grease here. Grease this.
as well. To press this one in. Going to tap it slightly in with a piece of wood here. Still nice and clean. Going to slide this in. Now I'm going to torque this bolt and on the flywheel here, put these two bolts so that I can hold it down so that it won't turn. That's it. Easy peasy. And what are you doing?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
I'm making this soft and clean.
What are you using for it?
I don't know what you call it.
Silicone spray?
I use silicone spray.
Engine hoses.
It makes it clean and smooth.
Perfect.
Doing some detailing to the engines. Whoops! Might not have been the best idea to use a stir stick as a paintbrush. Let's do it over. Okay, so here I'm reassembling the heat exchangers, and I'm adding some liquid gasket to it just to make sure that it doesn't leak when I get it installed.
Never cease to the bolts. So this solenoid valve that's placed here in the back of the engine, I've seen several people put some kind of cover over it because water can be dripping down on it and making bad connections. So I'm going to modify that. Lika gave me some of her precious Tupperware,
and I'm going to install that permanently on top of this. So, doing the final touches to the engine base. Yeah, okay, you can put it through. Is it through? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so I had to go on assist leaker. Press it up here. I'm just going to tie it down real quick, like so. And then I'm going to test the position of the handle so that it fits where we want it to fit. Not there anyway. So, if you can mark the lines now, okay, and I'm going to push it out, and are they aligned?
Yeah.
I'm just going to turn it, don't worry. Like so. Now push it in. No?
No.
Is it good? Come on. We're waiting here. Perfect. That is just perfect. Look at that, guys. That's what we want. Yep. And now we're going to mark the positions of the through hole so that we'll place it the same place when we put in some sealant. Perfect. So I'm scraping off all the old sealing around the holes so that it's fresh, and I'm drying it off with some acetone so that it's ready for the new through holes. Ready to seal it. Oh no, that one came out of the side of the boat.
No.
Are you happy with it?
I think it's okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm happy with it.
So I'm going to mark up where we have to make the holes for the sea strainer. Just to make sure that there's enough room for the sea cock as well. Because we messed up enough. This project. Well, I see no problems here. We can put it anywhere we want, so How about we put it in the middle? What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
In the middle?
Good idea. Can you move your head so they can see it?
Like this. Now, this is going to be really fun to drill out because I have to drill out against the hull, and if I drill too far, I'm going to make a big hole in the boat, or two. Coo-hoo. Can you go and look on the outside if there's a hole?
Oh no. A hole. Okay, no hole. Whew. That's lucky.
That is
Lucky.
It's because I'm the master of disaster. There. And then, that is nice.
Yeah. Happy?
I am so happy. We have to do the same on the other side.
Yeah.
On next week's episode, we're going to put the engines back in and you'll see the result of the cover for the solenoid. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.